Ian is gonna train with us for the first time, and we're gonna share the honest review. So both of we have done the workout. Now I'm gonna show Ian the full tour of the gym. Tour is already done. How many stars you will give out of 5? For the guys who are not involved in weight training, 4 तो आ चुके हैं. Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel again. We are officially
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
9 weeks out from the show, and these are pumpless days. Pumpless इसलिए कह रहा हूँ guys क्योंकि अब के वर्कआउट्स में इतना ज़्यादा खास पंप नहीं आएगा, बट मसल्स विल लुक मोर विजिबल. जैसे जैसे मसल्स में विजिबिलिटी बढ़ेगी, बढ़ेगी तो मसल्स ज़्यादा सेपरेटेड दिखेंगे, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी नॉट गोना लुक फुलर बिकॉज कैलोरीज आर रिस्ट्रिक्टेड. हाँ भाई, क्या है, वर्कआउट हो चुका, क्यों करो बक गांड बैक करवानी है, छोड़ो इसको. वी फोकस ऑन आवर बैक डे. लेट्स गो. जितना ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम हो सकेगा हम करेंगे ट्राई टू नॉट गेट इंजर्ड, बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा वेट हैवी लिफ्ट करने से यू कैन गेट इंजर्ड. सो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. इसके हम करेंगे 4 सेट्स. फर्स्ट वन. ऑलराइट गाइस, सो सेकंड एक्सरसाइज चेस्ट सपोर्टेड रो. इसमें हम ट्राई करेंगे हिट करने की अपर बैक. एंड गाइस, अभी के जितने भी वर्कआउट्स है उसको मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं दिखा रहा, बिकॉज वर्कआउट मैं मानता हूँ इज़ नॉट द हार्ड पार्ट ऑफ द प्रेप. द हार्ड पार्ट ऑफ द प्रेप इज़ द डाइट. तो मैं आज आपको डाइट भी दिखाऊंगा किस तरह से मैंने मैक्रोस अभी मैंने मैनेज किए हैं. सो दिस इज़ द सेकंड वेरिएशन ऑफ बैक. लेट मी शो यू हाउ आई डू इट. इसके लिए हम करेंगे 4 सेट्स. फर्स्ट इज़ वार्म अप एंड बाकी सब वर्किंग. सो हियर वी गो. How do I feel? I feel fucked up. This is the phase, like, you know, you want to train so heavy and you also train, but the muscles are not responding as you train when you have so much of calories, you know. Right now I feel like this is not that hard weight. Even I can lift triple than that, but this is not giving me the pump. That's why I say it in the video. The workout is going to be the pumpless. It means obviously you don't have that much of carbs. If you don't have that much of carbs, you're not gonna feel your muscles. So it's like, even if I do the workout, I don't enjoy it. So my body needs refeed, a refeed day. Guys, no one ने मुझे कहा. इसके ऊपर से मुझे एक चीज़ ये भी याद आई, हम नेक्स्ट सैटरडे को एक refeed day रखेंगे, which means बॉडी को थोड़े से कार्ब्स देकर फिर वापस से यही प्रोसेस को हम करेंगे कंटिन्यू, बिकॉज बहुत टाइम हो चुका है. 7 weeks आर डन स्टिल. हाँ, 7 हफ्ते हो चुके हैं हम कंप्लीटली डाइट पर हैं, एंड मैंने अभी तक एक भी चीट मील नहीं किया. सो हर 4 से 6 वीक या 7 वीक यू शुड पुट चीट मील या फिर रिफीड डे. क्या होता है, किस तरह से होता है, मैं आगे जाके बताऊंगा. सो हियर वी गो. पम्पलेस डेज कंटिन्यू. बच्चे तेरी શું કરો છો, કરો કરો, કાંઈ વાંધો નહીં, મોજ કરો. गाइज एज यू सी सारे लोग प्रेप पर है. एक अपना बंदा मिल भी चुका है, ये देखो. एज यू कैन सी लाइट में ऊपर ही हो तो देखा है बॉडी. हाँ, slowly he is just coming in the shape. And Noah, do you see any kind of changes in his body? Show his physique, guys. Yeah. तो गाइस ये बंदा भी अपना पोज मारो, पोज करो, जी पोज मारो, वही मारो. दर्शक आपको देख रहे हैं. What is watching you? Yeah. 4 तो आ चुके हैं. गाइस अपना ये बच्चा ही बोलेंगे क्योंकि 20 वर्ष ना हो ना, 18 साल का 18 years. दिस इज द टीन गाय. 18 साल का लोंडा. ही गॉट प्रिटी डेवलप्ड लेग्स, इसके लेग्स बहुत अच्छे गाइस, स्टेज पर बहुत अच्छा धमाका करेगा ये भी है ना। इन જોવા ભાઈ ઊભી હોય, કટ કર દો इसको, કટ કર દો એને એટલું બધું વાઇડ પકડવાનું જ નહીં, થોડુંક અંદરથી પકડો, હજી અંદરથી, હા હજી અંદરથી, બસ શો दैट बिग गाय। गाइस हमारे इंटरनेशनल पावर लिफ्टर बनने वाला एथलीट विच इज ऑलरेडी अ नेशनल फाइनलिस्ट, नेशनल में ऑलरेडी कम्पीट किए हुए हैं हमारे उदित भाई, 2 टाइम्स या 4 टाइम। अभी वापस नेशनल में ही खेलने जाने वाले हो ना आप? अच्छा आका गुजरात कैसे है? आ गए गुजरात कैसे का पूरा पावर लिफ्टिंग का व्लॉग भी मैं लाने वाला हूँ, सो सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल फॉर दैट ऑल्सो एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू उदित भाई ऑल्सो। उदित भाई कितना पीआर कितना ले जाना है टोटल कितना ले जाना है? 550। मार्क हिज वर्ड्स 550। हाँ हमारे अर्जुन भाई इनके कोच हैं, मेरे भी एक तरह से सीनियर एंड गुरु कह सकते हैं, सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू अर्जुन भाई एंड उदित। ऑलराइट गाइस, सो थर्ड वेरिएशन दिस इज सीटेड रो क्लासिकल एक्सरसाइज। इसको हम करेंगे रिवर्स ग्रिप में टू फील द लोअर लेग्स। इसके भी 4 सेट्स, 15 से 20 रेप्स, सुपर लो वेट। हियर वी गो, कम ऑन। गाइस एज यू कैन सी, देखिए दिस इज द बारबेंडर। हमारे ट्रेनर्स भी बहुत अच्छी तरीके से इंग्लिश जानते हैं। लुक एट हर्ष भाई,
Yes.
या देखा।
How you guys doing?
आया माइक आया।
How you guys doing all?
आप भी अपनी प्रेप पर थे, आप कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे हो?
कर रहा हूँ सर, अभी तो अच्छा खासा आ गया है। अब आ गया थोड़ा कंडीशन में।
You know, are you really praising him or just making this in the sarcasm way? Huh? The efforts. Okay, yeah. I know you are a big sarcastic guy. Alright guys, so our new friend Ian, okay? Yeah, Ian is gonna train with us for the first time and we're gonna share the honest review of Barbender's gym. So Ian, in this video you gotta show the people, this is completely unscripted, okay? So you gotta give your honest review about the facilities of the gym, the equipment, qualities and everything. What you feel, I will ask you after the workout. So you gotta say to the people, how was the experience, okay? So you're gonna train with me today. Let's just start the training. So guys, आज वर्कआउट कर हमारे इयान भाई का एक ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू लेते हैं एंड जानते हैं why the barbender is the number 1. So let's train back. If you don't feel sore, if you don't feel soreness in your back, okay. Let's start the back. Let's start it. Okay, so first you're gonna start with the dumbbell row. Grab the 7.5 first. 7.5. One is here, one is here. Oh, that's 5. Yeah, that is it. Okay, now you gotta do is bend over, roll. You gotta make a 45 degrees angle at here. Yeah, that's it. Now you gotta just move your elbows just like this. Yeah, squeeze, stretch, and squeeze. So you gotta keep one thing in the mind during the exercise, that you don't have to just fucking move your elbow outer side. You gotta keep your elbow inside. And the other thing, this part is gonna be the lock. It should not move like this. This is locked. Everything is gonna move is your elbows. Okay? Now do it. Okay. A little bit. That's it. Yeah. And you will feel at your this part. This part is your leg. Okay? I think you're feeling it. Yeah. Just keep trying to progress. You're doing regularly workout because your form is just so correct. Yeah. If you are not the experienced lifter, it's difficult to make the posture that perfect. Perfect, yeah. Put it back. I think this is right for you. Watch what I'm doing. The elbow is not going outside. And I'm not doing this also. Everything which is gonna move is just my elbow. Okay. Let's go. I think this exercise we have done. Let's pull down. Yeah. Show me how you do it. Then if anything is wrong, I will correct you. Wide one. Wide one. I think this is the good old exercise. Just gotta do is go. Don't lean back that much. Try to stay straight, even if your elbow is coming out. And another change is keep your elbow at the front side. Do it. Pull it down. Yeah, here. Yeah, that's it. So this exercise will hit your legs. This part. Yeah. Perfect. You gotta do 12 to 15. Oh yeah. What's your age? 21. Oh, 21. Guys, देख रहे हो? At the age of 21, I was expecting same. Honestly, I was expecting the same. But you are not looking 21 at all. But you don't look 21 at all. Yeah, it's around 20 to 21. Yeah, so you don't even look 23. You look like 30.
सही खेल गया बेंच
Hey bro, you should just. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I think that could be. Guys, देख रहे हो? This is the genetic. This is the superior genetic quality.
Let me also tell you the prediction
Of what?
your age.
Which one?
Your age.
My age.
Yeah. My
I don't need your guess.
first side, let me tell you the case. First time. Smile. Around 49.
तो guys, ये देखो ये मेरी एज गेस कर रहा है. What? I guess. What did you guess my age? This guy is saying I'm looking like a 49 years old. देखा? मतलब. Nah, honestly, you gotta not say the honestly. What's my age? Guess it properly. Honestly.
Okay, let me look at it.
Huh?
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है
35 to 39. That's it. 35 to 39.
What are you just guessing? Are you really honest? Guys, ये बंदा जो है खुद 30 साल का अधेड़ उम्र का लग रहा है और मुझे बोल रहा है मैं 34 से 35 साल का हूँ. Guys, कमेंट कीजिए मेरी एज इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. गेस कीजिए मेरी एज. Let's see what people think my age. What?
You've seen days.
We will see what the comment is going now. Guys, third variation. This is the chest supported row. How you gonna do is sit on the chair. Okay. Now we want to hit the upper back part. Upper back. How we gonna hit it? Grab this handle. Grab these handles. Okay. Grab it out. Okay. Now what you have to do is pull it from the elbow, but keep your elbow a little upside. Yes. Keep your chest up. Stay straight. Yeah. Now it's the same exercise which we did in the first. You gotta just move your elbow. Everything is by elbow. Yeah. Oh, perfect. That's perfect. 3, 4, 5. Yeah. That's what we want. I think you will feel at this part. When you pull it, it will come to this area. This is the upper back. Okay? Are you feeling it? Yeah. Now another thing which you have to keep in the mind, not just in the back exercise, in any exercise, the place where you lift the weight, you gotta breathe out. How? Do it. Breathe out, breathe in. When you hold the weight or any negative part, you gotta inhale. Inhale. Okay? Now, pull it. Exhale. You know inhale, exhale? Yeah. This is breathe out. Breathe in. Yeah. Okay. How is it going to help you in the exercises? Like if you will do this technique, your muscles will get more oxygen. So if you will have more oxygen in the muscles, you will feel more. Or maybe if you will able to do 12, by doing this technique, you will do at least 14, 13, 14. So this kind of very major techniques can help you a lot.
So the breathing also counts.
Yeah, obviously. In any sport, like if you are a sprinter, that's a very important part. Are you playing any kind of sport?
Not currently at the moment.
Oh, bro, I first guy from the Africa. He's not involved in any sport.
Yeah. Oh, but I do play sports from time to time, but not on a consistent basis.
Oh yeah, maybe you are so busy in the study.
Yeah, busy with study.
You're in the same Marwari.
Yes, I am.
ભણેશ્રી છે આપણો ભાઈ. You know what? Once you just leave the study, you just don't want to even hear about the study.
Yeah. True.
I don't shoot this motherfucker. Well done. Legs at the pad side, okay? You use the pad as a support. Now, in this exercise, you have to go down as much as possible, okay? Now, extend it here. Don't go overextend. If your body gets straight, watch at my back. It's straight, it's enough. Go back again. 2, 3. Now you gotta say where I have to breathe in and where I have to breathe out. Tell me. Oh yeah, you got it. In any exercise, wherever you are generating the energy, you have to exhale, breathe out. Holding the weight, breathe in, out, in. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, you gotta do 10 to 12 reps in there. Doing body weight, okay? We can do an additional weight also. Huh? No, it's okay. It's perfect. Yeah, you're going perfect. Yes. We are just doing it without weight. This is the body weight. In second and third exercise, second and third set we will do with additional weights. Yeah. It will feel here. Yes, perfect. We are going perfect. Wow. Come on, This guy is showing his face in the mirror. Come here. और ये हमारे पाजी अपने आप को निहारते हुए हो पाजी इथे बस सोने लग रहे हो What is he doing? He's a funny guy.
Coincidence, what? What you were doing before. Yeah. Now what you have to do is, you're doing exactly perfect, but just take your elbow a little back side, this side. You're putting it in front of your body. Put it side of your body. Yeah. Now, the one thing you keep in your mind, you don't move your elbows as you are doing. Yeah, that's perfect. When you go down, you gotta flex it from the inside of your muscle that can make you to allow to have more mind muscle connection. Yeah, are you feeling it? That's my turn. Okay. Yeah. You see, we are doing this. Okay. That's not wrong what you are doing, but that will hit your a different part of your triceps. You gotta keep your elbow a little back side. Walk it here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Stick to that. Yes. Yeah, you're doing perfect. As you see, this short head. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, so both of we have done the workout. Now I'm gonna show Ian the full tour of the gym.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Ian को पूरे जिम की टूर दिखाते हैं और पूरे जिम की एक ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू लेते हैं, देखते क्या होता है. Let's go. This is the free weight area, or you can say this is the powerlifting area, dedicated to the powerlifters. You know the powerlifters who lift the maximum amount of weights, especially powerlifting area. Okay, now let's go. All right, that's the front desk area. Okay, if you want any kind of inquiry, this is the reception area. The cardio area. This is the cardio area. I think you haven't seen it. It's a lot of varieties of treadmills and you can see the leg equipments are also attached in the cardio area, so you can do the leg workout just here on your website. Okay. The additional weight training area, like this is another weight training area. The main weight training area is the first floor, where we did the workout. Okay, this is the another entrance. You can park your, if someone is coming with the 4-wheel big cars, you can park it there. Yeah. Now you gotta see the weight training area where we train. I think I don't have to show you that much, but you haven't seen every machine. Let's see it. Let's see it. We train back and arms. Now, let me gonna show you the all equipment. Let's go. This here you can see 1, 2. This is especially for the chest, and the third you can see the guy is sitting there in the dips machine. This is for the chest also. Back we did 1, 2, 3, 4. We did 3 of this, but these all are the back machines. Now we have bench press, additional for the chest, the decline bench press. Now, the unique part of this gym in the Rajkot city, we have the biggest dumbbell.
Biggest dumbbell?
Yeah, that's in the corner. That's the 65 kilograms.
65.
Yeah, watch it. Kilograms, it's not pound. And we have the maximum amount of weights. You can see a lot of dumbbells. This is also the another free weight exercise zone, which was in the ground floor you saw. Yeah. Shit. Now let's see the rooftop area, the terrace. This is a core area. You can train your core. Where we did the hyperextension. The hyperextension machine we did in the, or maybe mobility workout before the weight training. We can do it here. Okay. Now, this is a terrace area. You can say Zumba sessions, you know, every free sessions. What people do, the Zumba, I can say, the free weight exercise together. This is the special area. And if you want to do any kind of free exercise, you can train here. This was the whole tour of the gym. Now, you gotta give me the review. Guys, the tour is already done. Let's ask Ian that if you will have to rate this gym out of 5 stars, how many stars you will give out of 5?
think I would give it 5.
Don't you gotta say it honestly.
Honestly.
Okay, why?
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask you why.
Because, no, it's attention that you give to your clients, you know. Because back at home, I used to go to a certain gym for about a month, where I paid subscription.
Okay.
And on the first day, the trainer wasn't so involved, you know. He was doing his own thing,
Yeah.
that sort of thing. Yeah. So there's a lot of engagement.
Yeah, so for the especially for the guys who are not involved in weight training, in gymming, like you are not a professional bodybuilder, okay, so you don't know how to train.
Yes.
Okay, so trainer should be available 24/7,
24/7.
so you know how to train. So it's not just you train with me. If you will come and ask the guy who is also the general trainer behind the camera, or any other guy who is the general trainer, everyone will just tell you the same details and how to train and help you in every posture correction, whatever you want to say. So this was the video. Hey guys, ये था हमारा जिम का रिव्यू. Now हमारा तो वर्कआउट हो चुका है. I'm just now going to home. मैं थोड़ा सा skinny bitch भी लग रहा हूँगा because I am so low on carbs. You know, I'm also competing for the bodybuilding, so this is not my actual size. I'm dieting down day by day. That's why maybe I would look so smaller. I'm just around 7 weeks out. 7 to 8 weeks out, yeah. So this was the video guys. मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक peace out.